we're back at and we're playing with my friend Nick. Say hi, Nick.
Hi.
So, yep, you already see what I look like, a unicorn. He looks like a dragon. So I think you know what we're gonna do. Try to get a unicorn. Try to get a dragon. Oh, ooh, ooh.
Follow me. I'm gonna give you
okay, this house is open. Let's get in it. The person. Oh, never mind. This girl doesn't have a nothing. Yeah. Okay, wait. First, let me feed my panda. Sandwich. Here, get the tiny sandwich. Look at that. That's so tiny, guys. I'm just gonna give him whatever he wants.
See, I'm gonna give you a backpack. I'm gonna give you.
Let's go,
Nico.
Nico.
Give this back, okay?
Okay.
Oh, you got it in the mic? Okay, let's go. Give it back to me.
Oh, okay.
Where should we go? First, let's do the Robux.
Okay.
Right?
Let's go.
The Robux house is fast.
Yeah, we were just looking in houses. If there's mysteries in unicorns or dragons.
Oh, this is okay. This one is like.
Oh, look at this.
Can we live here?
Yes.
This is our new home, guys. Wait, let me just put the rent. I think this is my son's home. Wait, stay here. Let me just say, let's see if it's my friend's home.
OMG, there's even donuts. There's donuts. There's tea parties. There's everything here. Nikki, we're gonna live here.
It's from my friend.
What?
So I think we can stay here. It's from our friend. There's a big pool.
What?
And there's a pet sanctuary.
Nikki, I think I just left. Oh, never mind. I think no, first time. Wait, are you in the house?
Yes, I'm in the house.
Oh, okay.
What's your panda in here? It's like outdoor food.
Come on.
Here.
Hi, Nico.
How did you get there? Wait, I know how you did it.
No, I didn't do that way. Look, this is how I do it. So I go to...
Yes, you sit in the mushroom.
No, I didn't do that. Look. I go to grown up. I do this. I take my pet out. And there I get a stroller. This. Do this. You do this. And done. You're in.
No, that's not how you do it. Look at this.
Well, my way is cooler, so I like it.
Let's explore the house more.
Okay, now let me turn back to a baby.
So, renting this house. How much did it cost?
Like 1,000?
My friend said I have to trade nothing. Yeah, the deal.
OMG, that was really mean, because she told me to give her $1,000, Nikki.
Okay, DJ. In this game, I'm like...
Now look how much money I have, guys. Look. Like, look. I was going to a 2,000. And look, guys. Boom. Oh,
see ya.
what?
There's a movie theater.
Movie theater.
Get your pets. Wait, let me get out of here. Sit next to you. What can you see? Okay, there. Red panda. Go there. What movie are we watching?
We're watching this.
It's getting boring. Let's go.
Yeah, let's take a red panda. I'm gonna pick him up and let's go.
Okay, there's the back door. I know every house. Where's the door? That's.
I take a bath. I take a bath. I take a bath.
It's an artificial bath. Okay. So, yeah, I need to shower too. Can I shower too?
First my panda.
And then I have panda. Wait, is panda here?
I got a panda.
Wait, you got a regular panda and I got a red panda. Okay.
Well, my panda, you can ride it. So yeah, it's not a break.
Okay. I know.
Let's see the place we can sleep in. Nico, I have bad news. Here, this is the place we have to sleep in. Here, look. Well, it's good news for me because I love it. Where are you? Nico.
I'm outside the house.
Okay, go back in. Okay, look, I'm gonna show you where we're gonna sleep, and we have to, cause it says, look, this is for kids, and it's bad news, cause you don't like this color. It's a unicorn. Look, huh? Look, this is the paper wall. We're sleeping here.
No! Wait, Sia. We have this house. Sia, wait. We own this house. We can't sleep anywhere.
I'm going to sleep here.
We own everything here. We can sleep wherever we want.
So we paid it?
Yep, we paid it.
Nikki, you never told me we paid it. Now I'm looking for dress things.
Yeah.
Unicorn. What happened?
I'm stuck.
Oh, okay, that's your problem.
Okay, literally stuck.
Okay, okay, just reset your character and just tap to me.
We're gonna exit our
Exit the house and just tap teleport to me. It's time to eat, so I'm gonna eat some donuts.
Me too. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Oh my chocolate.
Vanilla. Which one you want? Panda, which one you want? Hey, that's not your name. I'm gonna change his name. His name should be...
White panda.
No. Oh, that's actually a good name. No.
Eat your donuts now. Oh, let me change. I have to change.
Let me see.
I have to change.
I don't even know what to name him. Control J A.
Let me change it. Well,
A Control J Control E.
what else is there?
Done.
Pants?
My little panda, what do you want? Which flavor? Like this strawberry, this, chocolate, which one? Okay, now let's see. Ooh, you want vanilla. Okay, see? He picked. Okay. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna grab one and make you one.
How do you get your hair? Let's just take off your hair.
And I think I'm thirsty. Yep, I'm thirsty.
Okay, so where are you?
And we can't go to school because later we can lose this place, right?
Yeah, maybe we can't go to school.
So yeah. I think this was the best place. So I think we should end this video right here, right, Nikki?
We should end the video already. No, we shouldn't.
Nico, it's gonna finish because it just lets me 15 minutes and it's 14, so we should end this.
Yeah, we should end it. We're still gonna play, right?
Yeah. Hey, so guys, yeah, we're gonna end this video right here. Bye. Yay.